Happy birthday to
I will
you.
trust in
Thank
you
you.
and know that you are with me forever. I'll confide in you 'cause you're the only answer
And the very
that
busy.
matters.
Yeah, very busy.
Even in the darkness, you will be my light.
How do you feel? Very rushed, very busy?
Kapit na ako, ma'am.
Yeah. Almost. Ikaw kayo, panahon pa ni mong day, katuan pa ni mo sila. Fancy. Ooh. Ako ano? Hi! Dako bitaw siya. Yeah. Kami lang ni Risa tonight.
Everything else fails us. It is you that holds us together. Thoughts and plans of me, they are good, and I will wait on you. I know that you will see me through, and even in the dark.
Hi! Lights off. Bilis na ang araw. So, matulog na niya. Ako roommate kay si Risa. This big room, it's so dark. Good night!
You're the keeper, protector. It is you that holds us together when everything else fails us. It is
Ready na. Dali.
the keeper, the protector. It is you that
everyone to please rise as we welcome our bride.
Joss, I love you. The Lord impressed on me before to take care of you as an answer to my prayers. Even until now, I still hold on to that answered prayer, but not as a friend, a fiancé, or simply a lover, but as your husband, your partner in life and for life, and the one that loves you the most next to God. I know that you're a dreamer, and I promise to support you and encourage you in your dreams. For your dreams will be my dreams too. Your dream come trues are my happiness, and your achievements are my pride. But our everydays will not always be good, so I promise to be patient and forgiving. And during those bad days, I will choose you over my anger. I will choose you over our disagreements. I will choose you over our disappointments. I will choose love. I promise to be gentle, to treat you with respect, and to protect you. My words and my actions are to honor you, encourage you, build you up, and show to the world that you are the love of my life. I will lead you as God will lead me. I promise to love you unconditionally. I will love you continually and in new ways as we uncover more about each other. Your uniqueness is mine to appreciate, and our differences are mine to love. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want to experience life with you. So on this day onwards, I give myself to you. With all my love, today and forever, I vow to be yours. I love you.
Lord, I love you. You are a blessing to everyone and most especially to me. Remember when you said that you were unsure of what would come after you expressed your intentions to me? You took that leap of faith and trusted that God will lead us to His best interest. And that time has come, and it is here now. From then on, you took care of me. You have always believed in me. You celebrated my victories and sat with me until I died with my sorrows. You supported all my dreams, no matter how dynamic and sometimes unthinkable. Sometimes I think that it is unbelievable how someone could love me this much. It's so good to be true. You are kind, gentle, and so full of love. And sometimes I ask God if I really deserve this. But maybe this is what grace is. I was never deserving of anything. I am full of mistakes, worries, and regrets. But God still gives me the best. Where is this? I am grateful for His unconditional love to me, that I can stand here today and share it with you and be able to make these promises to you. So now, here's what I can promise to you. I promise to love you and honor you. I promise to support and help you with the desires He has placed in your heart. I promise to let God work in this marriage and to let Him teach us how to be better partners for each other. I promise that you will always have me as your lifelong companion. I know these are all heavy promises and the kind of promises I certainly couldn't do on my own. So which is why I will just try my best. And when the time comes when these promises are hard to live up to, I know it will come, but I will hope on God's grace again to help carry me through all of these promises to you. I love you so much.
Thank you. It is my prayer that the Lord will honor your vow to one another, and it will come to pass in its own perfect time as the days passes by. God bless you both. Ron, you may now kiss your wife.
Up in the clouds, reaching the stars from the ground. Lost in this garden, embracing the place that
And it's his birthday. How old are you?